And sometimes kung especially in new generation, 'di ba? Walang kasing solid tayo na what we have. Parang napakadaling question yung faith mo or really what it is, kung sino talaga ang tinatawag nating God, right?
Oo nga.
Yun ang gusto kong sanang I wanted to pinpoint kanina, na parang napakadaming distraction para i-release yung faith mo sa God, di ba? Right?
Yeah.
And it's all over the place, from news, from social media.
Alam mo nga, Alvin, kaya nga yan ang parang mission namin for Couple for Christ, na we really need to, start from home.
Yeah.
Kailangan yung mga anak mo, yung faith mo, tapos and everyone that you encounter in life, na, na tulungan mo sila to understand and also find that faith again.
Yeah. It's hard, especially these days, di ba? Right? Kailan ka nagkakaroon ng quality time sa mga kids mo na talagang walang telepono, walang social media?
Correct.